want you to do another set quickly. Okay.
Oli is very keen to hit the ball and demonstrates a good grip with two V's aligned down the back of his handle and his hands close together. As Oli gets stronger, he should try to move his hands to the middle of the handle rather than holding the bat at the bottom of the handle. Oli hits the ball very cleanly and demonstrates the full face of his bat towards the bowler and the ball. This demonstrates good alignment of his shoulders with a straight pickup to middle and off stump. Areas for development. Oli needs to focus on his balance and control of his shots. If Oli keeps his back foot still and waits for the ball longer, he will be able to take one step towards the ball. This will mean he creates a large base to hit from, which will result in his head being still at point of contact. Oli should be balanced enough to hold his position for at least 5 seconds.
Still doing something? Yeah, you need to press that.
Ball, so toes to the ball if you can.
Once Oli has hit the ball, he should try and point his toe of his bat after where the ball has travelled. He should try and do this during every shot.
It's still going, it's on. Oli, that's a lovely shot, mate. Good start. Feed, Oli, well done. Nice feed. Just let the ball come to you there, Oli. Okay, wait for it. Shot. Oh, shot, Oli. Bit of spin there, Solly, on that one, wasn't there?